Today we are going to discuss about acute pancreatitis. As the name suggests, pancreatitis means acute inflammation of the pancreas, but it can be acute attack in a pre-existing chronic pancreatitis. Okay, for acute pancreatitis, what are the different causes? The most common cause is it is a gallstone induced, and that also female more than male. The second most common reason is alcohol, but if we talk about in children, the most common reason is blunt trauma to abdomen. It can be iatrogenic, like in therapeutic ERCP, or it can be some drug induced, or hyperparathyroidism, or increased triglycerides or lipids. What is the pathogenesis? As we have the most common cause, that is the stones. So, what are the stones going to do? They are going to cause pancreatic ductal obstruction, leading to ductal hypertension. Or some other reasons, as we talked of alcohol, they are going to cause direct toxicity and hypersecretion of pancreatic juices, reflux, injury by free radicals, and spasm of sphincter of Oddi. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स मिलके all of these factors basically what do? They increase the calcium levels. There occurs co-localization and fusion of zymogen and lysosomes. So inside the cell, these are the cell organelles. ठीक है, तो इनका क्या हो जाएगा? Fusion and co-localization, जिसकी वजह से trypsinogen is going to become active trypsin. अब जब trypsin active हो गया है, it which activates other enzymes. ठीक है, so like we have elastase. Elastase will cause capillary rupture, and then we have lipase. This is going to form saponified fat. ठीक है, so as a result हमारे पास क्या इकट्ठा हो जाएगा? Sequestered fluid, saponified fat, blood, toxins all together form a chicken broth fluid. ठीक है, and as a result we have inflammatory cascade. Infection occurs causing bacteremia and septicemia. तो जब ऐसा fluid इकट्ठा हो जाएगा, उसमें क्या हो जाएगा? Infection. ठीक है, large volume of fluid sequestration occurs causing hypovolemic shock. So what are going to be the clinical features? Clinical features include number one, pain in epigastrium radiating to back, relieved on bending forward. Then there are going to be features of peritonitis like guarding, rigidity, and rebound tenderness. These is going to be seen in severe forms. Next, you are going to see high fever, tachypnea, vomiting, features of shock and dehydration. These are some very important signs. One is Cullen sign, then we have Gray Turner signs, and then we have Fox sign. ठीक है, Cullen's sign क्या होता है? This is discoloration around the umbilicus. So umbilicus के around क्या हो जाएगा? Discoloration, Cullen's sign. ठीक है, if this discoloration occurs in flanks, that is Gray Turner sign, and if this discoloration occurs in inguinal region, this is Fox sign. तो सबसे ऊपर है umbilicus, umbilicus में है Cullen sign, फिर साइड में flanks में क्या है? Gray Turner sign, और नीचे inguinal region में क्या है? Fox sign. And this discoloration occurs due to retroperitoneal bleeding. So what are the different investigations? Serum amylase, serum lipase. अब इन दोनों के बीच का आपको पता होना चाहिए that amylase rises quickly, shorter half life, and it is more sensitive. Otherwise lipase, it rises gradually, धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा, इसका half life भी ज़्यादा है and more specific. Then we have liver function tests. Then serum calcium levels, serum creatinine and BUN, urinary lipase estimation, TLC, hematocrit, platelet count, coagulation profile, and we have some radiological signs like colon cutoff sign, that is distension of transverse colon with collapse of descending colon. Then we have sentinel loop sign, that is focal dilated jejunal loop, and then gasless abdomen and localized ground glass appearance. Okay, so we can do X-ray. We are going to see all these signs. Ultrasound भी हम कर सकते हैं. Then peritoneal tap fluid. Best imaging modality रहेगी हमारी CECT abdomen, but after 72 hours. Then we can also do chest X-ray for effusion and ARDS. We have different severity criteria. Glasgow criteria, more than 3 equal to severe pancreatitis. Then Renson's criteria for alcoholic and biliary. If it is more than or equal to 3, again severe pancreatitis. Then we have Bicep score and then Balthazar grading. How are you going to manage? For acute pancreatitis, it is mainly conservative. NPO बाउल को हम रेस्ट देंगे, राइल्स ट्यूब डाल देंगे, IV फ्लूइड एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट मैनेजमेंट, एनल J6 टू कंट्रोल पेन. एंटीबायोटिक्स का कोई रोल नहीं होता है अर्ली पैंक्रियाटाइटिस में, लेकिन अगर सीवियर हो या इन्फेक्टेड नेक्रोसिस हो तब आप देंगे. कैल्शियम ग्लूकोनेट. न्यूट्रिशन में अर्ली फेज में हम TPN पे रखेंगे, स्टार्ट एंट्रो न्यूट्रिशन अर्ली, एंड नेजोजिजिनल फीडिंग इज बेटर. ERCP आप तब ही करेंगे अगर बिलियरी पैंक्रियाटाइटिस है या पेन को मोर देन 48 आवर्स हो चुके हैं, फीचर्स ऑफ ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन एंड जॉन्डिस, देन पेशेंट विद डॉक्यूमेंटेड स्टोन्स इन CBD, and all patients with gallstones they have to undergo cholecystectomy before discharge. अब complications देखिए, systemic complications हैं और local complications हैं. Systemic include SIRS, sepsis, septic shock, MODS, ARDS and CHF, that is congestive heart failure. Locally क्या हो सकता है? Pancreatic ascites, peripancreatic fluid collection, pancreatic necrosis, pseudocyst, vascular complications and left-sided pleural effusion.